Yesterday in writing, we talked about writing a description, and you wrote a description of yourself. Today, we are going to write descriptions of a place that we love. So whenever you write a description, you have to make sure that you tell people what you're writing a description of by giving them a hint in the first sentence. You can say, I'm going to tell you about blank. You can say, let me tell you more about whatever you're going to write about. Or you could just start off with a sentence that kind of tells them the major topic. So today we're going to write about places that we love. For my example, I wrote about being at the lake because I love being at the lake. So I started off with my sentence that gives a hint of to what I'm giving a description about. I love being at the lake. So that first sentence tells you what I'm going to be writing about, the lake. That's what I'm going to be describing in my sentences. So for my description, I chose to say things you can do at the lake, and I chose to explain why I like to be there. So this is kind of in between being a description and whenever we talked about opinion writing and how we have reasons. You can go whichever direction you want. It's your choice on how you want to write about your place that you love. So I wrote, I love being at the lake. You can fish at the lake. You can swim at the lake. So I said my place, and I said two things that you can do there. The two things that I said you can do there are you can fish and you can swim. So I told my topic and I told two things about it, and that's how I chose to write my description. So today you're going to do the same thing with something that you love, somewhere that you love to be. Maybe you also love to be at the lake. Maybe you like to be at the beach. Maybe you like to be at Disney World. Maybe you like to be at your friend's house or at your grandma's house. It's your choice what you want to do. If you're doing this and you start to think, well, I really think that I would love to be in Disney World, but you haven't been before, that's okay, because with this, you can make it up. It's okay, you can make it up. So if you want to make something up and pretend, you can do that too. But just write a description of a place that you love or think that you would love to be.